the matter had been to High Court. One thing I want to tell very clearly that last 2 days there is not even one single untoward incident. All my school and college campuses are peaceful, and our students have behaved very well since last 2 days. Very well, and I thank them for the restraint. Now the matter had been to single judge. Now today, 3-member judge headed by our Honorable CJ of High Court, Karnataka High Court, has heard the matter, and they have passed an order that they are going to hear the case day by day, day-to-day basis, and they have appealed all the stakeholders not to precipitate the matter, and they have said that all the schools can open, colleges can open, but no religious dress code should be followed from both the sides, not one side, from both the sides. And I think the High Court 3-member bench has shown its intent to have a peaceful atmosphere to do the proceedings and give a judgment in this case. Therefore, I also appeal to everybody, students, teachers, parents, SDM members, management members, departmental officials, to work together and see that there is a peace in the campuses, and especially the media to help us, to cooperate with us. Since there is last 2 days there is no incident, we want incident free in future also. So I want the cooperation of the media in this case, and we'll all work together. And we have taken a decision in a meeting now that up to 10th standard the schools will be open on Monday, and looking into the situation as a second stage we will decide about 11th, 12th standard and other degree colleges.
Thank you, sir.